Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking at that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place a cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This white color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5980s. It looks like a continuation of what happened on the previous day. What we expected yesterday was we expected that crude has got the potential to continue and maintain its downtrend, and also yesterday we had crude oil inventory report also. So now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, you can notice straight away, as I told you, it is just a continuation of what happened on the previous day. The market followed the trend and it tried to test the next zone of 5960, where it passed a while and then it was quite comfortable in breaking this also. Again you can see this particular area 5916, they are trying to convert this as a support. So many times the price is hitting in this particular area and they are trying to convert this as a support. There was a very long consolidation, but finally the price maintained the trend. We know the top zone is 6000 and 6020. I'll be explaining you why we are focusing on this zone later. So the price continued its trend. You can see straight away there was a very good fall. After then this 5960 was considered as a resistance. So till our next target zone was 5926, the price came down till 5936. Then there was a pullback towards 5960. Again the price found a resistance in this particular area. Then the price fell down. So the price was waiting for the inventory report. This is the exact area where we got the inventory report around 8 o'clock. We couldn't see much difference in the report, so there was a consolidation. So the price came down till 5932. Whenever we say a support or resistance, we want to say repeatedly again and again, it is not a single line, it is a zone. So from this support area the price gave a bounce back. You can notice that the price then finally tried to convert this into a support. Then there was a bit of drop. Again the price came down and closed around 5964. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's crude oil market, and everything went as per our the plan and as according to the trend. If we see the open high low close analysis, it's very clear yesterday's market price opening was lower. It could not create a new high. It had created a new low, and the price closing is a bit lower compared to the price opening and the previous day's price closing, which shows that the market was still good for selling. Now let us see how it looks like in our entire package of Goodwill Commodities charting. So this is the entire package what we are providing free for our clients. There is no difference in the candlestick. So right after the price opening, our charting tool is indicating the market momentum is still on the selling side. So the price came down and continuously the market maintained a downtrend till the particular point it reached 5932. After then there was a bounce back. Our charting tool is indicating that this is a major zone, so it gave a buy signal. But since the price was trading below the moving average, we told it repeatedly, you should be very cautious and more or less you should think twice or thrice before taking a trading decision. So finally the price closed around 5964. So as usual, our charting tool did a right job in keeping us in the right direction throughout the trading session. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today. You can notice that today, based upon the Mcx price direction, we are expecting crude oil to open somewhere just below 5960. So it is a expected lower opening compared to the previous day closing. So today also we are expecting crude oil to continue and maintain its downtrend, having 6000 and 6020 as one of the most and major important resistance zone. Now let us go back and see why we are focusing on this particular area by using an 1 hour chart. So only difference, if you are a continuous follower of our presentation, you know that how I had drawn a trend line and all these things that helped us in identifying the trend. Our focus will be on the two trend lines. This is the new trend line I had drawn. So by connecting the high that was created on 31st of March and connecting the high that was created in the 1st of April. So I had connected these two trend lines, and you can see the trend lines is coming and the path is traced towards 6000 and 6020 zone. So this is, we are going to put a lot of focus on this particular trend lines, and in order to follow all these downtrending pattern, we have three trend lines here. So we are going to follow how the trend lines are going to work, and as I told you, I will be explaining why we are focusing on 6000 and 6020 zone. This is the area. Just put your focus in this particular area, 6000 and 6020. On March 13th and March 12th and 13th, the price found a support here in this particular zone, and then it gave a bounce back. The same thing happened on March 18th, the same thing happened on March 26th. On all these days, the price found a support here, and then it gave a bounce back. Since the price is now trading below this, if the trend is down, the price should exactly find this as a major resistance, and the price will fall, just because it is also a psychological zone. So that is the reason we are focusing on this particular area. So in our video analysis, we will be giving a variable reason why you need to target a particular zone, and what are the expected levels you can expect if that price comes down. And also, if you are using our goodwill charting tool, all your trading is going to be a great success. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.